What is this?
What?
Hands. Hands? I just played it. Okay, had. Eyes.
Out.
Ears.
Out.
Arms.
Out.
Hands.
Out.
Legs. No? Eyebrows.
Out.
Nose.
Out.
Lips.
Out. Out.
Mouth.
Out.
Tongue.
Out.
Foot.
Out.
Okay, let's see. It's a quiz. You will tell me, okay, Noya? Be careful.
What?
You will tell me question number 1. What is this? What is this? Do you see the picture? Nose or ear? It's nose or ear. Choose, Noya. What happened? Come close, come close, come close. No, this is not legs. Show me your nose. This is nose. You are swimming? Swimming? Okay, nose. This is nose, not ears. Okay? Nose. Nose. Second, just tell me, okay? Second number, second. What is this? What is this, Noya? This one, not this, not do like this. Noya, hands. See hands. And what is this? What is this? You are keeping what? What you keep? It's a game. It's a game. It's a mask. Yeah, it's a mask. Okay. So do you see the picture? This is hand or foot? Hands. Hand. No, bad. Hand. Okay. Now third one. Okay, what is this? What is this? Noya, tell me. Head or ears? Show me your ears. Show me your ears. Yeah, okay. Let's see, you are right or wrong. Ear. Help her, help her. Okay, girls. Arm or legs? Arms. Very good. Question number 5. Okay.
Leg. Foot.
Lip or foot? Yeah, I see your foot.
Foot.
Yeah, very good. Number 6. Number 6, Noya.
Mouth.
Tongue or hand?
Tongue.
Tongue. Show me your tongue. Come close and show me your tongue. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Come close and show me. I said, Noya, come close to me like this. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay, now, next one. Let's see. What is this?
Eyes. 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 Eyes.
Noya, Noya, it's your turn to come close and show me your eyes. Come close and show me your eyes. Yeah, beautiful eyes you have. Okay. Let's see next one. Leg or head? Head. Yeah. Head. Number 9. Leg or
Leg.
no?
Leg.
Good, leg. Number 10. This is the last one. Okay.
Leg.
Lips. Very good. See my beautiful lips. Oh, very good.